Trust is the foundation of every successful brand. When customers believe in a brand, they are more likely to engage, purchase, and recommend it to others. Trust creates a sense of reliability and comfort, making people feel confident in their choices. Brands that prioritize trust build lasting relationships, which are essential for long-term growth. In today's competitive market, trust is not just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. Without it, even the best products or services can struggle to gain traction. Let's explore why trust matters so much for brands and how it shapes consumer behavior. Brand loyalty is deeply rooted in trust. When customers trust a brand, they are more likely to return for repeat purchases and stick with the brand even when competitors offer tempting alternatives. Trust fosters loyalty by assuring customers that their needs will be met consistently. This loyalty is invaluable, as it leads to higher lifetime value and reduces the cost of acquiring new customers. Brands that invest in trust-building activities such as transparent communication and reliable service see stronger loyalty and advocacy from their audience. Brand's reputation is closely linked to the level of trust it commands. Positive reputation is built over time through consistent actions, honest messaging, and fulfilling promises. When a brand is trusted, its reputation flourishes, attracting new customers and retaining existing ones. On the other hand, a single breach of trust can damage reputation and lead to lost business. Brands must protect their reputation by acting with integrity and maintaining transparency in all interaction. Consumers today expect brands to be trustworthy. With access to information and reviews, people can quickly assess whether a brand is reliable. Meeting these expectations is crucial for success. Brands that fail to deliver on promises or act dishonestly risk losing customers to competitors. Trustworthy brands, on the other hand, exceed expectations and create positive experiences that keep customers coming back. Marketing efforts are most effective when built on trust. Authentic messaging, honest advertising, and transparent communication resonate with audiences. When customers trust a brand's marketing, they are more likely to respond positively and take action. Misleading or exaggerated claims can erode trust and damage relationships. Brands should focus on truthful marketing to build credibility and foster long-term engagement. Word of mouth is a powerful driver of brand growth, and it relies heavily on trust. When customers trust a brand, they are more likely to share their positive experiences with friends and family. This organic promotion can lead to new customers and increased sales. Brands that consistently deliver on their promises and treat customers well earn valuable word-of-mouth recommendations. During a crisis, trust becomes even more important. Brands that have established trust with their audience can weather storms more effectively. Transparent communication and swift action help maintain trust even when things go wrong. Customers are more forgiving when they believe a brand is acting in their best interest. Crisis management strategies should always prioritize trust to protect reputation and relationships. Innovation is exciting, but it can also be risky. Brands that are trusted can introduce new products or services with greater success. Customers are more willing to try something new when they believe in the brand's integrity and reliability. Trust reduces the perceived risk of innovation and encourages adoption. Brands should leverage trust to drive innovation and stay ahead in the market. Customer service is a key touchpoint for building trust. Responsive, helpful, and empathetic service creates positive experiences that reinforce trust. Brands that go above and beyond to solve problems and meet customer needs earn loyalty and respect. Poor customer service, on the other hand, can quickly erode trust and drive customers away. Investing in excellent customer service is essential for maintaining trust. Transparency is a cornerstone of trust. Brands that are open about their processes, pricing, and values demonstrate integrity. Customers appreciate honesty and are more likely to trust brands that share information openly. Transparency also helps prevent misunderstandings and builds a culture of accountability. Brands should embrace transparency to strengthen trust and create lasting relationships. Brands that demonstrate social responsibility earn trust from their audience. Supporting causes, acting ethically, and giving back to the community show that a brand cares about more than just profits. Customers are increasingly looking for brands that align with their values. Social responsibility builds trust and differentiates brands in a crowded market. Consistency is key to building trust. Brands that deliver the same quality and experience every time create reliability. Customers know what to expect and feel confident in their choices. Inconsistent brands struggle to build trust as customers may feel uncertain or disappointed. Consistency in products, messaging, and service reinforces trust and encourages repeat business. Brands' online presence is often the first point of contact for customers. Trustworthy websites, social media profiles, and online reviews shape perceptions. Brands should ensure their online presence is professional, accurate, and responsive. Engaging with customers online and addressing concerns promptly builds trust and credibility in the digital space. Protecting customer privacy is essential for trust. Brands that safeguard personal information and respect privacy earn confidence from their audience. Clear privacy policies and secure data practices show commitment to customer safety. Any breach of privacy can quickly erode trust and damage relationships. Brands must prioritize privacy to maintain trust in the digital age. Product quality is a direct reflection of a brand's trustworthiness. High-quality products that meet or exceed expectations reinforce trust. Customers rely on brands to deliver value and performance. Poor quality or unreliable products can quickly erode trust and lead to negative reviews. Brands should prioritize quality to build and maintain trust with their audience. Leadership plays a crucial role in establishing trust. Leaders who act with integrity, communicate openly, and set clear expectations inspire trust within their teams and among customers. Strong leadership creates a culture of trust that permeates the entire organization. Brands with trusted leaders are better equipped to navigate challenges and seize opportunities. Compelling brand story can build trust by connecting emotionally with customers. Sharing the brand's journey, values, and mission creates authenticity. Customers appreciate brands that are transparent about their origins and purpose. A well-told story fosters trust and makes the brand memorable, encouraging deeper engagement. Listening to customer feedback is essential for building trust. Brands that actively seek and respond to feedback show that they value their customers' opinions. Addressing concerns and making improvements based on feedback demonstrates commitment to customer satisfaction. This approach builds trust and strengthens relationships over time. Brands often collaborate with partners to expand their reach. Trust is vital in these relationships. Reliable partners help brands deliver consistent value and maintain credibility. Customers are more likely to trust brands that work with reputable partners. Building strong partnerships based on trust benefits both parties and enhances the brand's reputation. Brand promise is a commitment to customers. Fulfilling this promise consistently builds trust. Customers expect brands to deliver on their commitments, whether it's quality, service, or values. Brands that break their promises risk losing trust and damaging relationships. Keeping promises is essential for maintaining credibility and loyalty. Trust creates emotional connections between brands and customers. When people feel emotionally invested, they are more likely to support and advocate for the brand. Emotional connections are built through shared values, positive experiences, and authentic communication. Brands that foster these connections enjoy stronger loyalty and engagement. Trust helps brands stand out in a crowded market. When customers trust a brand, they are less likely to switch to competitors. Trust differentiates brands by creating a unique value proposition. Brands that are known for trustworthiness attract customers who value reliability and integrity. Differentiation through trust leads to sustained success. Brand advocates are loyal customers who promote the brand to others. Trust is the foundation of advocacy. When customers trust a brand, they are more likely to recommend it and defend it against criticism. Advocacy amplifies marketing efforts and builds credibility. Brands should nurture trust to create passionate advocates. Trust is a catalyst for brand growth. Brands that are trusted can expand into new markets, launch new products, and attract new customers with greater ease. Growth is sustainable when built on a foundation of trust. Brands should invest in trust-building strategies to unlock new opportunities and drive long-term success. A trusted brand is more valuable. Trust increases brand equity, making it more attractive to investors, partners, and customers. Brands with high trust can command premium prices and enjoy greater market share. Building trust adds tangible and intangible value to the brand, supporting long-term profitability. Effective communication is essential for building trust. Brands should communicate clearly, honestly, and consistently across all channels. Miscommunication or mixed messages can create confusion and erode trust. Brands that prioritize clear communication foster understanding and strengthen relationships with their audience. Every interaction with a brand shapes the overall experience. Trustworthy brands create positive experiences at every touchpoint, from purchase to support. These experiences reinforce trust and encourage repeat business. Brands should focus on delivering consistent, high-quality experiences to build and maintain trust. Brands that are trusted are more resilient in the face of challenges. Trust acts as a buffer during difficult times, helping brands recover and rebuild. Customers are more likely to support brands they trust even when mistakes happen. Resilience is built on a foundation of trust, enabling brands to adapt and thrive. Sustainability is increasingly important to customers. Brands that act responsibly and prioritize sustainability earn trust and loyalty. Sustainable practices demonstrate commitment to the environment and society. Trustworthy brands are transparent about their sustainability efforts, creating positive impact and attracting conscious consumers. Summary: trust is the ultimate advantage for brands. It drives loyalty, advocacy, growth, and resilience. Brands that invest in trust-building strategies enjoy stronger relationships and lasting success. As the marketplace evolves, trust remains the most valuable asset a brand can possess. By prioritizing trust, brands can unlock new opportunities and create meaningful connections with their audience.